ngene uHotman uThen Kunene yeah
China number riding
yabona mfethu mengena riding namabodyguard engithukile shifumali yabona bakayi ngithini ayithinga izinto yakho
zenza into yakho ngenzela isipane siwani
yes ngishaye njalo abona into mangakuphiwe ngishaye njalo
so like uphume like uzitshelana uphuma kule
pushe uqale lawo marathon nyana uqale
ufika kanjani kula marathon ufika kanjani
2019 calling sister la recruiter ukuthi bekhona enye race Bedford View babiza
Stay tuned for another special episode of Know the Game with Benito's Tonya.
Hey yo, hi bafethu, it's your boy Penny bafethu with shirts bafethu nangibona ama blogs bafethu, the one and only Benito's Tonya bafethu, fana wako Fridos. Welcome to Know the Game bafethu, episode 7. Today nginenjayamo
happy vele abaningi like asibangazi ngophila bana Freedom Park vele kanti siphushelayo yabo eziphushela bafethu nabeza abantu abakhona ukuzikhulumela bafethu so bafethu today ngingamangali ngifika ngama-shirts ngibuya kwi-interview bafethu njoba vele bezishilo vele ama-case ntontoni kwi-episode yabo le nibonile vele bafethu sure so bafethu man silana bafethu noPhila Music bafethu so kuyazikanje nje bengeke nje nami ngikubize ngithola ngibona ukuthi Fedi asilo umuntu lo yabo sure
yayizwa na Fedi direct igama le channel it's Know the Game ngithola so kuyasi mina ke ngibonile Fedi game yakho ukuthini azini shuma wena mfethu le out le ngithola ephushayo ngithola
sure
so and like mina nama viewers lapha yasingajabula ukazi story sakho ngithola
sure
like ungitshele like yini like into yenzayo like ngithola into yenzayo empilweni
sure angithanda ukubonga opportunity engitholile la ku Know the Game
sure
mina I'm a DJ I'm an athlete also entrepreneur vele eziphandela la eqasi push amakhekhe yabona just nje ukubhayisa yabo just keep myself busy yabo
ngithola bafethu I hope bafethu nibhekile so bafethu uPhila Music ngaye bafethu uyagijima nokugijima bafethu on my last episode bafethu besikhuluma ngebhola bafethu Fedi ibhola nyalazi ibhola nyalazi ngakugijima ngengilungu because now ngiyakubona mfethu la ngibona vele kuzo vele le ndawo ezi right ngibona nje so bamba boma Colgate company so wangitshela kahle like ufika kanjani la yabo
asidaying yokugijima yona uqale yasidento mfethu ufana ukuthi calling from edladle chama la umuntu ogijimayo lo ledama umuntu ogijimayo
sure
so angibuye skela njalo ngihlezi ngithi ngithathe road work just ukuthi generate positivity kimi yabo lento vele ngijwayele yabona abantu bala eqasi babona amaHotman amasister udama yazi lento thathe serious yabo iphushe ngeke ucaze ukuthi izobeka va angiphushe uqale lawo marathon nyana uqale
ufika kanjani kula marathon ufika kanjani
2019 calling sister la recruiter ukuthi bekhona enye race Bedford View babiza iGP eJaman happy ashangeke ngikwazi kuya kule race mfethu ngicela ungiyele yabo okay ngithina sister ngithathe le opportunity yabo ngicofele ngister ngitay my sister ngishota ngetransport yabo ngawavele ngijwayela yabo ene la ngiphusha sister litanga ukuvayisa
sure
angifika la racing vele sifika late yabona vele nginandawana lezo zinto as long nje ngiphushile ngiqala i-race ngibuya nemedal eChartini yabona
hayi qhubeka
angifika la never sabona mfethu yabona ngigcoke nje sweater gcoke neskipa phezulu yabona ishort nyana nje yabona bakanginervous ukuthi labakhindile yabona
yabona vele
mina ngibele kasi yamtshela uthi sifike as long ngicedile i-race yabona fast forward after the race fike enye race Colgate
yeah
lesi story lelo ngivayisile lithi khona inye race manje ngiyibonile
yeah so pepe it's like before sifika kule Colgate ngithola because vele yiyo like bengifuna ukuyizwa kahle ngithola le Colgate before like isifika like ngifuna nje ukuyazi ukuthi like kule race yokuqala like uphume number 1 ngithola like lezi zinto like kusetshenzwa kanjani ngithola
kulezi zinto mangakubi ne license belube ne club but if awuna club ungaziregistera ugijime just for mina I didn't ngithatha as for fun nokuthi nje inspire ambala ekasi ngibangibona ukuthi ayazi khona lo muntu ungahlelanga nje khona intwana nje ungahlelanga khona it's something positive yabo nabo kuba motivate ukuthi at least bangahlali kuphela endlini akube na something abayenzayo just ukujima yabo
hayi ngiyathola so nje wena njami nje like dali shawa imarathon le angazi ukuthi isiya sprint kahle ngithola
hayi
sprint or like ama jogging lawa khona vele
imarathon njami
ngoba mina understand
for me I would say ukuthi ugijima ngepace yakho ngiyangithola okay khona amajita which is a fast lawo siwabiza ngama elite lawo ma top 10 ke lapho top 20 siwabiza ngama elite
sure
amadoda ayagijima ashayela maybe 10k nge 30 minutes
shu lezi zinto lezi kahle nje like kuba nesikhathi
kuba nesikhathi like now maybe uyaziemela ukuthi hayi
okay ngifuna nje
ukufika ngesikhathi yabo
so okay
so mina lento leza ngisifaka pressure just ungifana yabona
nje so Hotman like fele bafethu ngikhohliwe kunitshela ukuthi ngihamba no Ghostman bafethu behind the cams bafethu Ghostman akuna question ofuna ukuyibuza lapho since uzwile first vele bathi marathon tonton zakhona akuna question like
No, he just mentioned something very interesting. He said, I came back home with the medal after that sister told him ukuthi ajoin ilona I marathon. So this medal in medal like number 1 or ukuthi ujoin I marathon.
Hayi ukuthi nje ngijoin marathon nokuthi ngicedile nje.
Like ucedile le lorini okay. So iColgate ifike kanjani Colgate because ngibona vele
lesi sterele ngivayisile akela ngitshela ukuthi khona enye race yase Boksburg ungawarangi ukuvayisa yabo so ufuna ukushaya 15 or ufuna ukushaya 32 km ayi hlele endlini yazicabanga ukuthi athi ngisishayile nje thi ngishaya 32 engibuze sitelo uzoyenza sure ngita ngiyakuyo lento le uyamthola las vele bese ngifiti ifike lelo langa le race I never sinyana which is mangishaya 32 it is a double lap which is first lap is 15 bese kuba I second lap another 15 step 2 ayingiye lapha yapusha vele yapusha ngithola ayizithe second lap ayabona manje lehle ngisho ngale nto amangithini
ayenza ne
which is I did that race in 4 hours 6 minutes fortunately mekhona lelinye Hotman la ekasi nginokujima nalo uHotman Tebza
sure
ujwayele ukugijima ukugijima ama comrades awu my 11 so lamphusha le Hotman vele uyangithola
likufaka vele stars kahle
kwenzakala so ngisana ukujima nalo ngifaka
so wena nje like as lo my sister lo akuphethe kanje like yini nje amagama ungafisa ukwadlulisa nje my sister
sister ngiyabonga for everything ongenzela yona like I'm forever grateful nezinye izinto nje unokungizama ukuthi ngibe covered uyabona ukungibuza ukuthi if ngiyashota ngenye yokubalance enchallenge ukhala ukuthi sister na i-race yabo but ngiyabonga kuye for everything
so Ghostman
just to add on what you're saying Benito lo sisi lona naye umuntu agijimayo or umuntu ane team ingenela I marathon like yini eyenza ukuthi abe ne-passion so much when it comes to i-marathon?
Usesteri ubone mina ngigijima, so ekabona mina ngigijima nga-approacha wabona but manje ngiyakubona nengiba motivated nami ngifuna ukujima uyabo, so saqala vele ngijima before espanini sha maybe leyo maybe 15 minutes run yabo, even though yena ngekagijime ngepace yami but lebele nje ngiyamncenga
nje umfaka vele.
So
did you get to answer?
Yeah. Because I thought like she is somebody who have like a team, or she's somebody who go around collecting people who are training just to put them in a marathon. But if it's just somebody who so umuntu nje a trainer, then I feel ngathi no, let's take this training.
Let's introduce vele nguzwe vele ukhuluma ngendaba zamakheke nja. So ngifuna ukazi nje ngendaba zamakheke ubambe akubhekela.
Manje eyamakheke konenye outjam bathi umboni. So lady ngivele kubo vele ngibande shipa ichoose. Ukuthi vele ba abantu vele abaphikayo nani. So was an idea ukuthi anjam asiphushe ekasi. Yabo. Ataya siyo ngoba vele mina ababhala ekasi vele ngiyabazi. Yabona asiphushe.
So namanje usayipusha la.
No vele ngike ngathi kuma kancane but uyazi manje impintshi nokubona ngenye indlela yabona, so mina ngifuna ukuyiphusha ngenye indlela yami no yabo. Ngeke ngisloke ibhakede enyana la emafamily la amakheke enyana la usho
ukuthi yonke income izawo.
Plus yabona advantage abantwana besigela abantu abayipanini ngeploma lapha ngakithi ngaphandle yabona ukuphushela.
Lazi amakheke izinto zami mama ningashaya ama space cook le.
Bese ngawashaya nje.
Bayazini mfethu. Kona mfethu abashaya ama space cook mfethu bonke abheke eclassini mfethu wonke umuntu.
Mina mfethu ukuthi like ngishaya ngenye repetition like asho ukuthi wonke umuntu uyazi ukuthi uhitayo umuntu grand ushaya yonke into straight yabo. Obviously nami umuntu nginamaphutha wami but yonke into ami phusha straight. Okay. Hayi.
Siya vela siya amakheke. So besikhulumile ngithi ngendaba ye-riding sama Colgate
sure.
Like kuphelele vele la ku Colgate khona manje fit.
Khona manje.
Angayuthanda ukutshela nje ngewani ithanda kakhulu.
Ayingcanywayo le ye-GP. Because it was my first race. But this year ngwazangu igijima. So ngiye ngaya Model Fontaine this year na ngagijima na Colgate V this year. 15 but this time. But I'm looking forward ukuthi ngigijime iSoweto Marathon this year.
So yini into ekustopile like this year? Like into nje ekustopile ukuthi ungayigijimi njengoba usho ukuthi azange agijima ofile.
Engistopile ukuthi yazi inyuku lezinto lezi ezidlula. So
kanti la ungena like ngemali like imahala.
Nginyuku sometimes abaye banama sponsor ngithola. So mina ngabi ne sponsor but iClub nginayo ngigijimela Mr Price.
Mr Price le mpahla le.
Mr Price.
Shoot manje ba provider vele nga Alex.
Uqaya nje running license. Le kit yakho.
Kanti kunama running license. Yonke into imoto manje. So khona yokugijima na vele license. Uyaboshwa.
Ukhona. Kona temporary. And then
kona le expire vele mele.
Like I expire roll too, but le temporary which is much ngathini if a race is for 350. Uzobhatala lo 350 but if uphethe le mina ngiphethe license permanent maybe ngaba less nyana ungayibhatala 300.
Like ibe less nyana. Okay. So nanjaka nyabuza like mfethu tila like ngezinto ezibhaya ngithola
jack of all trades.
So the music ngizwile ukuthi before vele siya ku music uCostman ngare angathi ne question Costman.
Okay, I heard he mention indaba ukuthi yena I team yakhe I Mr Price ne, and then he's saying ukuthi kustruggle financially when it comes to kungenela into yama marathon. Of course they did provide him ngendaba license which is not expiring into a permanent
yeah.
So they can find you ukuthi bakufanda ukuthi ukhona ukungenela each and every marathon because you are representing their brand.
I have to, in terms of ama regulations we club, I have to work hard. Yeah, mina ngispa ngijime kakhulu.
Yeah.
At least maybe race ngicede maybe ngaboma if it's 10 kilometers then ngicede uma 30 minutes. Yeah.
So 10 kilometers, how many rounds there?
Maybe kusuka yi kuyafa. Kusuka la eKasi maybe kuya la kuya eSouthgate.
Southgate.
Yeah.
So kumele uceda like in 30 minutes.
Yeah.
So if you fail to do so the price you pull a bag or they don't pay for like I want to understand because you represent their brand angithi.
Yeah.
Angithi yibo benza ukuthi I mean bagcokisayo and stuff angithi.
Yeah.
So when you are out there it means you are representing Mr. Price. So
Yeah.
I want to know ukuthi the reason they are failing to pay for you know your marathons and stuff. He went when I didn't finish the race in 30 minutes as maybe it's required so.
Yeah, so maybe like at least maybe to put it in a simple form, I have to maybe be top 10 maybe at least. Yeah. That's when they're going to get attention with that on your span. Okay, I'll just some bona ukuthi fanda kanjani yabo shota kuphi yabo
so sithola umnandi because
you can move on.
uGhostman bafethu sithole kahle yabo so na ngiyambona ukuthi this nowadays siyathanda ukuyenza show yakhe yabo sengizoyeka nokumnikeza ichance ukuthi abuze yabona okanjani Ghostman
I bet
yeah so marathon like akusekho next like ufuna ukungitshela ngemarathon or like utshela umuntu ogijimayo ukuthi
this is what you can expect.
What you can expect, more races maybe in the near future, maybe ngaba ne club yami like us just to motivate amachita nenxusizincane yabo ukuthi there's life in running also bangabheke ama sporting things like soccer and
because vela abantu abaningi no ba focus kuma
soccer at least in ku running there's life nakhona yabo
bafethu nangithola
yeah
so no sesiya music like phila music ngiyezwa phila mfethu like lelo gama lifike kanjani chazisele kabanzi nje
le gama lifika ukuthi isenemi olidlam yabo so mina ngayifuse no music ngoba vele ngikhule vele ngicanye inamba ngile ntwana vele if ama hotman maybe aplomile ashaya inamba would be the one ngiplomile vele ngithola or maybe epatini kushaya inamba zosinka ini nje ngene ngithola would be the one ukuthi ngime phambi kwa DJ ngifuna ukubona
kuyenzakala no thatha ama ridings
I want to find out ukuthi vele riding ne passion for yona push ngithola ngilele nje ngigeleza ukudlala cala ukugeleza ukudlala ngiqale la ka doctor before ivalwa ngamuva to khona indawo bathi lapha yenzo
lapha yenzo
ngilele vele ngichathiza dana mavulela eHotman usanza nophuto omdala le opportunity ukuthi
so nje like first time yakho like yofunda bekunabantu like
bengenabantu
so awukazi like thingithi first time like bese udlalela abantu awukazi like wayenza leyo nto leyo
ngingayenza lo
so wafika wayenza no flop la washazona
first time obviously ngithukile angajwayela ngiyaflopa but asaphambili
ushaya hashi na
ngishaya hashi kuzovuma izinto zakhona ngitshona
so wena ungenama kuma cost DJ nawe khona ngiyaziyo na vele bethanda cost DJ maka no se uDJ
cost DJ ngene nje kancane but mina ngiqale from before visual there was a software called Automix. And then ngoba visually bebe ngijwayela ngithola
yazithola no sekuma CDJ
ngithola senguma CDJ
Okay, sithola ufuna ukubuza before ngihamba.
No, okay, he's saying ukuthi uqale wacela abantu ukuthi anifakini kancane then amahashi here and there. I don't know, bofuna ukujumpa from DJing or bofuna ukujumpa from Elon, because I want to know his first gig le aze wayibamba enkulu ukuthi bekuyiphi.
Now obviously like sase ku DJing angithola. Sase ku music like ngifuna nje bengifuna enhla bengibuza ukuthi la awuna question.
Okay, I know I'm good.
Ufuna into izwile.
Yeah.
Oh sase sharp.
Yeah.
Okay, hayi sase sharp uGhostman ngada.
Sure.
So yeah nje Hotman angibuyisa.
Okay. My question was the question bezolandele was like, which gig was your first big gig? Then now mawibamba like you were like, is it me on the desk like yo?
My first gig was last year. I can't remember the date, but the corner abu Ken Unene una wenjalo just amakhotma nje una le ndawo lezi shop so
yeah. Body surfing and stuff.
Yeah, so I was the opening DJ on that day. So luckily ezinye izinto man uyezwa ikazini ku time. You have to do this. Ayothenga i-headset. Sacrificing your time emaponya esikusela se headset. Banguya ngabo 6 ayochecka vele la ukuthi kwezakalani uyamthola ayabona vele amakhotman ahleli ayendlini. Bangifika elapho yenzwa yabona amakhotman khotman la vele futhi untala cha intwana yami awubafudumezele yabona ke ngibafudumezele ngishaye ngene ukhotman uKen Kunene. Yeah.
Chai number like
yabona mfethu mengena la nginamabodyguard engithukile shimali yabona bakayi ngithini ayithinga izinto yakho
zenza into yakho ngenzela isipane siyi1
ngishaye njalo yabona into mangakuphiwe ngishaye njalo.
So like uphume like uzitshelani mawuphuma kule like mawuqeda ukudlala enhle
mangiqeda ukudlala like ngidlale it was 2 hours set nje 2 hours ngadlala ngashaya mangibele ngidlala amakhotman like I was surprised phuma amatlipa ngilahlela amatlipa 200 yo letha kwenzakalani
ngaba kuseza imali ukuthi bakubhukile
mfethu kwenzakalani kwenzakalani that
was popile la
ayida ngingazi namthukile
ushaya umuphi music there piano house
ipiano ngingakudlala I was strictly into deep house. Yeah. So
sila
ngilele nje ngishaya number ngithola obvious mengakubi mnandi nakhona ngemixing, but I feel like amakhotman appreciate the music I was delivering to them because ngishaya old school. The music ngishaya like bakhumbuza back then ngabe bakhona
ngikathi zabo Ghostman
ayithe mangiqeda ukudlala vele ngidobha lawo matlipa ngiqeda ukudlala yabo ngiphume kanje ngidropa le mali endlini ngithola ngithandaza ngibonge nje bese ngiyabuyela esipaneni vele abona le video ngithathe ne video vele
sibaka video yakhona
ya trenda la ekasi uyabona
so qedile
ngaqhubeka.
Okay so ngiyakuza ukuthi vele babhuka so like umuntu obukele like office ukubhuka ngakuthola kanjani kuma social media platforms?
Social media platforms, Facebook is Pila Music, Instagram Pila Music, TikTok Pila Music 10.
So wena nje Twitter vela uzingene
Twitter ngithishisa kakhulu but
ngikhola le athi leyo nema Twitter benginayo sibanini yabona nishaye tweet amazi Ghostman siyangena soon ku Twitter
hayi thina sikhona ku Twitter
sikhona
thina
sikhona ngazi nowazi ukuthi thina si Twitter bafika
hayi sikhona
so Hotman so sengithi Hotman akuso Hotman bafethu Ghostman bafethu behind the cams ngibize uPila Music because ngibonile fedi sponsor sakhe ngiscrollile ku Facebook ngascrolla ngimbonile naku TikTok yeah naku WhatsApp so ngam approach la athi ayena kana stress angakhona vele ukufinyelela kwishow so that's why I see la ngithola so mina bengithi ngibonga ukuthi ukhonile ukufika yabo yeah so wena ayikho nje into ongayisho la
before siya lapho sorry to cut you off studio so ama bookings amba kanjani how much do you charge for I booking or abantu if ever kune number maybe if you like to share your number for ama bookings esayitini angazi if unama number ukuthi maybe kune ye business nyana eceleni yeah or else you sponsor I number yakho yi1 if you don't wish to share don't show it but like if abantu bafuna ukubhuka bacala kumalini for I booking na
or le inbox le ungasabi kusho inbox
for I booking nangikaya nje 1.5 that's my strict nje 1.5
it's a start kahle
hour pay
wena phila mosu big wena
ngo big nje akhona ukuthi jaba big like us and my contact 078 740 2897
awufuni baphindela yona mhlawumbe
078 740 2897
yeah so sithole umnandi or you still have question
no I'm good man I'm good man abantu njena as much as you were saying ukuthi abo Ken Kunene nabo banibani they were busy throwing some money people must know ukuthi when they book him they're booking quality they're booking somebody who knows ukuthi ufika azwenzani you can tell ukuthi if ever amakhot money I can throw something la adlala khona kusho ukuthi udlala into ayaziyo njengokusho Sithunya ukuthi kusho ukuthi wena professional minimum yakho minimum yakho irate yakhona is 15 then upwards so it means abantu bamambuka babhuka like they are booking a real DJ in fact
quality like I believe ukuthi umsebenzi wami uwozozikhulumela uyamthola
there's no need to explain it babone uphezu kwedesk lapha so
no you can move on
okay bafethu before we move on bafethu don't forget to like subscribe hit the notification button ungasalele emuva yabo hambe nathi la sihamba khona yabona cause vele vandaag vele like isiphethe upila bafethu yabo pila like ngicela ukubuza cause ngiyabona vele vandaag like angekho that on yabona like ayikho like a question ofila ngazathi angikubuzanga yona
ngibuze into ofuna ukungibuza yona
like wena ayikho like vele into ofisa ukuyisho or like ofisa ukumtshela yona mina ukuthi vele side or nomunye umuntu ongafisa ukumpromote yabona bebone business ofisa ukumpromote
like into engifuna ukuyisho ukuthi like machita yekasa ngasawo usipana nami ngawuthi ukwazi ukusipana and khona namanye ama project I'm looking forward ukwapusha like I'm looking forward you share production this year and having a merchandise ka Bila Music which is going to come later this year nama mixtape one musical joy nobhekeni bafethu kuhelisi yaphumile and there's a new project engizoyiphusha yamapiano which is angithi ngidlala deep house in the piano this other side at least abantu abamameli piano which is Matured Groove Sessions be coming out soon very soon
bafethu so nina nje expect ukuthi kuzophuma umculo omnandi Ghostman
you said there's a project that is out abantu if bafuna bayifuna bafuna ukudownload that music bawuthola kanjani bawuthola kuphi
bangangithola ku Facebook ku WhatsApp if bafuna ilink ngiyayithumela kube abazothola downloadable
so ithi like ithi ufuna nje ukuvela I search like go straight to it
noma ungayisearch ukuthi Bila Music hear this na Google iyavela
nje ivele so release ama track engakho so far
ama track menga release ngiphusha nje ama mixtape
so kulama mixtape ama number like wadlalile ama number like kwabanye abantu or uwobhakayo feel
ngiphusha nje ama number wabanye abantu
so wena wakafika le level ukuthi uyabhaka nawe
ngafike njalo
so office na ubhaka
ngiyafisa into vele engibhekile
nje into ezayo ubekile vele kwilonto zakho
namanye amajita wasekasi vele khona into esazoyiphusha nje movement ngisazosipana nabo
amapha amajita ubana amajita
konje star maningi amajita yo khona enye bathi uyakayaka khona enye bathi stilo khona nenye intwana bathi change maningi amajita
mapha so infleneli kahle
just mina ukuthi mina angifuni umuntu othanda ukuzipromote yena self ngithanda ukuthi namajita asikasi aphushayo nami ngiyawaphusha ngithola
injalo
because I believe in teamwork ngoba ngeke kwenza into uyi-1 uyangithola so kumele kube nabantu ukwazi ukusipana nabo
so when you believe ukuthi like abanye abantu fede angazi ukuthi ngayibeka kanjani maka like umunye umuntu like uyamthemba kwizinto zakho let's say ngisipana nawo ngangithemba like mina
yazi nje injani la idea mina mangizosipana nawe so spana but if uyangiflopela but it is a lesson uyangithola it is a lesson
umuntu une mistake
uyangithola ukuthi what type of a person you are uyangithola uyaziveza but mina bayazi like us would die I'm forever humble
so konje onyithi yawa produce wena
angashaya
konje mixtape
ngiphusha mixtape
so iphethe vele nawe dayile ngonjebs
intwana yami unjebs like feel intwana but nginaleyo level of respect for him in terms of
injalo
like in terms of asipana ngakhona uyangithola intwana vele ephushayo angithi amanye ama-gents awaphushi like us but la ntwana le hayi ihlala like noma ngihleli namanye ama-hotman ngiyarecommenda amanye ama-gents laleya ngitaye makaleya hayi lenzima kakhulu like
yashisa
la ntwana
mina ke like ungangithinta for ama-riding ama-voice over because i-voice over into zami uyazi nayo Ghostman
sure angasabi njalo
anytime nje ngikhona vele so awukazi nje washabo minkwari wena ngithola
inkwari inkwari yami akusinto okudlala bafiti yazi
kufuneka imali
kufuneka inyuku like mafuna ukushaya iproper inkwari kufuneka inyuku
nabantu ozosebenzisana
nabantu osipanisana nabo ngoba egcineni angeke kwenze into oyi-1 uyangithola but hayi leyo ngizoyishaya amasenti nowavuma
Ghostman
I know I'm covered abantu abambhukeni umjita bakhona ukuzwa music omnandi ukuthi abanye bazweni out there reason beba busy balahlela imali so le njenga asho nje ukuthi ukusebenzisana amajita let's approach each other sisupportana nathi nje we are happy because nawe ufikile lana usho mhlambe we1 uzo busy udlala ingoma kuphi but they haven't seen you but at least nathi we are doing the little we can ukuthi nathi sinikeza abantu ama visual ukuthi umuntu ethize guys na umuntu enimsupportayo umuntu ethize na umuntu emsupportayo so I mean ngathi ukubonga nje
okay so before siyakuphi nakuphi nje ufisa nje ukusebenza nobani since vele ushaya music ubani go top like celeb bangithola
abaningi amajita ngifuna ukusipana
nawo nje like lobheke kuyo ukuthi yazini
top
nanoma ngekho top feel like wena nje lobheke kuyo
baby ngaba le Kofi or Kent
DJ
Kent imncane
I wanda bakulahlelela amaclipa ubheke ezinja kakhulu abo copy hayi yawe naye ubheke izinja kakhulu ke
must aim high nento mangabe uyayenza push the vision hard uzofikelela
so nje like ithi ekseni uyavuka ngitholini nje like into ozitshela yona nje movu like into ozikhuthaza ngayo
into engizikhuthaza ngayo
amagama ozikhuthaza ngayo kahle
ukuthi nje yabona mangivuka ngiyabonga ukuthi ngisakwazi ukuphila ngoba abaningi abakwazi ukuthola le opportunity ngihlezi ngimotivated ngithola ikho nesipani mangabe ngespanini ngiyathandaza ukuthi ayi fandaga at least ne-booking ngoba abaningi vele abayitholi bookings kunzima
injalo
kunzima kule game njalo it's very hard kule game bangasiboni sithola ama-bookings basitshela ukuthi hayi we have it easy but
sometimes batshela ukuthi sometimes okay
man. For him saying ukuthi it's very hard to get ama bookings yena une agent emfunelayo ama gigs onguye asondezayo ebantwini ukuthi guys phela mina ngiyashaya inamba, can you just give me a chance ngenza like wathola kanjani ama gig wena?
Mina ama gig amakhulumane okay abantu abafana but amakhulumane ngiyawa approacha amanye ama resident kwezinye indawo yabona khulumane ngicela ispani angaya ispani mfana yami okay mina ngisipana kanje for i-first gig yakho angikayi fokoli just ukuthi wena uyazimarketa la and then maybe i-second booking khane sizokwazi ukubuka idents. So that's how I work. So, but sometimes nokuthi ngikhiphe inyuku ngiye kulezo indawo lezo ngicele ukuhlala
nje
exposure
in networking
networking like networking is very important in this game.
Ufunda something
ufunda something
awutshele nabanye abo DJ lapho ukuthi bangayenzeli imali kuphela.
It's not all about money bafethu. Of course imali isedinga but it's not all about money. You have to network, push, sacrifice because in this game you have to sacrifice in order to get there. Now ukabza abu stoki namanye ama-chance awafikanga to the level abafike kuyo ngoba baphethe abobani baphethe labo bantu ngoba bazifake ema-position a-right nokuziphusha. Ukuzipusha is very important ngoba uhleli nje ukuthi hayi ama-bookings azuza without you doing anything angeke kuspane
vele injalo. So wena uthini nje ebantwini basekasi abasacabanga ukuthi bele bayo DJ
DJ I would say ukuthi it is an experience which is right but izoya ngawe ukuthi how you look at it. Ngitshela khona abanye abayenza ihobby khona nje abayenzela just for nje ngoba manje ubona umunye umuntu uyayenza ngitshela ene asifani.
Uthini kulabo abayenza ngoba umunye umuntu uyayenza?
Lapho
ayikho into ongayisho.
Lapho ayikho into engayisho nje
awunamagama.
Anginamagama nje
uphelele nje lapho
vele ungayenza ngoba manje omunye umuntu uyayenza maybe inspiration yakho ukuthi but mawuzoyenza without vision ngoba manje ufuna uclass kwanibani
angeke isipane uzophelela nje la
uzophelela nje la but you must have a vision and anything engifuna ukuyisho discipline counts. Discipline counts.
Ayikho enye into edlula le.
Discipline counts ngoba mawuzogijimisa indaba ukuthi mawufika enkwari uyodlala ugijimisa indaba zama-rider ungabheki craft yakho anyway but khona nenye intwana boma I won't mention his name just ukuthi ngiyamhlonipha fike uma few 2 weeks back lo man nje star afika vele namaya ku DJ ngithola vele ungoma zakhe vele zidlala ku Jaywana bukazi fimsitshela the way thina yeka siswak ngakhona siswak okay sharp saswilela ngithola ngithola mina like umunye umuntu angithanda ngena kuma dispute thulile nje shaya into yami ngithola but izinto ezifana lezo like I avoid like nomuntu onaleyo mentality sheshe ngisusa
ne
yeah ngoba la ekhaya angina ilo energy
respect bafethu
yeah
Ghost man respect ungabe ukhuluma kusho yami ngakuphanga imvumo sure wakhuluma ke manje ufuna ukuthini
ngimnandi
akunani ufuna ukuyisho
yeah ngimnandi
so njami ngiyakuzwa it's like bodlala ne
sure
like mawuqeda ukudlala uyavaya same time or wenzani no like ithi ngibeke like in one day uyakhona ukuthola maybe ama-gig maybe more than 3 udila kanjani nalawo ma-gig la wenza kanjani asithi lawo ma-gig kwe-3 kanje akubhukhe ngesikhathi esi-1 wenza kanjani
in one day you have to juggle ukuthi okay ngayi bangibhukhe ngobani isikhathi ngala bangibhukhe ngobani isikhathi
sure
uyangithola so kumele ukwazi ukuthi isikhathi sakho useta kanjani for ukuthi ukwazi ukusuka from point A to point B yeah at least ukwazi ukuba an hour maybe 2 hours apart uzokwazi ukufikelela yeah
okay hayi
yeah
so wena nje thingithi kwavene awubuthinti like mayodlala
ukushaya ngiyashaya but if ngizodlala I keep it professional I don't drink
phuza mawuqeda
ngiphuza mangiqeda uyangithola but not kakhulu uyangithola just because like ispan sami ngiyahlonipha
like yela ispanda yela ukuthi nawe manje so you have fun njengabanye abantu
ngoba eqineni
uzithola so spend imali yakho abakhweleleyo
besides nenyuku like mina la ngispana khona la ngi-resident khona kunokufika nje ama-hotman uyangithola ama-promoter maybe abantu aba-own indawo bazobheka so if like into engiyenzayo ngithatha isirasi ngiyadakwa ngenzani angeke bangilayele ngisibabona umdayi lo lento leya yadakwa lo wayi so ngithatha kanjani akanidiscipline so
yazivalela ne
yeah
sithola ana next
no I'm good man I'm
yeah
good,
man.
So ilona yakho yini i-rider yakho umuntu makubhukile vele
rider rider mina yazi when it comes to rider like I'm not umuntu opeak ngoba indawo phela azifani kwenye indawo ba operate ngendlela maybe bankayayo naleyo ikama star uyangithola but mina like rider like akusinto engifakelela kakhulu ekhanda uyangithola ngoba like noma ngithola leyo rider maybe ngizoshaya leyo kapyane 1 if ngihamba namajita yakayana ngayo ukuthi abafethu bambani
ukuthi ninkhapha
but
so ba hey players yakhe hlezi khapha before so vale show vele uqale vele sithi shout out to amajita wakho abo
amajita ngivayisayo Hotman Musanza is a legend vele uyaziwa like us no Hotman
udume ngani uthi uyaziwa like us
is a legend abothi nje uqala like us ma-Hotman
Sanza
Sanza
okay
legend vele shout out to him
Sanza man
uyi-Hotman vele lenkaye platform and if like ngiyaphuma endleleni nokungibuyisa endleleni ngidala intwana yami no senza kanje so no Hotman uThepo uChucky vele abaningi ngayi 27 extension 27 umazi ngoChucklas yile ngivayisayo uyangithola
ole kanje transport vele yakhapha
langikhapha yabona nami
fikade vele
ngithola but nami ngifuna uku-emphasize kwabanye abo-DJ like ama-upcoming or abo-DJ bafethu abantu abazivayisayo siba-appreciate-eni nangokuncane okukhona just ukuthi ayimfethi ngiyabonga at least ufikile egigini
ayayizwa okay sharp bafethu if you wanna hear more bafethu ngoPhila Music comment lapho cause feel like vandag nami ngibona bafethu like ngopenita ngisilopeni into lo nomjwayele but then mina ngibonga nje ithuba la kaPhila Music ngithi kini don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button so nibona vele bafethu ngo8 danko.
Thank you for watching Know the Game with Benito Tonya. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time we drop anything